Ever tried logging into your Rajhi mobile app and boom, you have forgotten your password? Don't worry, I'm going to show you in less than 2 minutes how to reset your Rajhi password. Step 1. So you're going to open the Rajhi Bank. After opening it, they're going to tell you to enter national ID username, but you don't know the password. So you're going to click on forgot password just below here. Click on forgot password. They're going to require you to enter your ID, which is your incomer number. So enter your incomer number. Then you're going to click on next instead of use card method. So click on next. They're going to send an OTP to your registered mobile. So I'll click on allow. I have two cards. I'm going to use the second card, which is 0398. I should know the password for that card. Sorry, the PIN for that card. Click on it. I input the PIN. Then I'm going to reset my password. So before I reset my password, I should make sure that it's at least 8 characters, like 1 2 3 4 4 up to 8, the characters that I'm using. It should have an alphanumeric character, yes, like letters, I mean a lowercase and a capital letter and a number as well. So I'm going to click in my new password. Then I have to repeat the password to confirm. Then I'm going to press on confirm. Then I'm going to receive a call notifying me that my password has been reset.
To reset your online banking password. To confirm, press 1. To cancel, your request accepted. Thank you. Goodbye.
Then I've accepted the request and now I have to return to the dashboard. So I return to the dashboard and I'm supposed to log in up here. Then I'm going to enter my incomer number. Then I enter my new password. Then click on login. They should bring an OTP to confirm. So they're going to enter a 4-digit code. So I click on allow and it's done. So from here I can access my Rajhi mobile account digitally. I can transfer money, I can do everything. So if you are outside there and you are struggling on how to reset your Rajhi mobile password, it is very simple, and what I've showed you is just that. The thing that you need to know your ATM pin, and if it's possible you should have it physically. So that's the best way how you can reset your Rajhi password. Follow me for more. This is your boy FinTech Fixture. See you in my next video. Thank you.